To gain access to the accompanying workbook, scan the QR code or click the link in the description down below. Welcome back to the detective's office. You are almost done and we can go on our fun adventures. Today we are talking about the penmanship bears. Now the reason we're talking about this is because you have mama letters and baby letters, or uppercase letters and lowercase letters. Some are big and some are small. I'm going to tell you a story about the penmanship bears so that we can remember how we write our letters and how we write our upper and lowercase letters. Once upon a time, there was a forest full of bears. There were some tall bears, there were some short bears, and there were some really hungry bears. The tall bears could reach up to the sun, and the short bears could reach to the mountaintops. The hungry bears could get the worms underground. Ew! The bears always liked to start their journey next to the sun, mountains, grass, and worms. But they would always go towards the picnic basket on their journey. We had just read the story, The Penmanship Bears. Now I wanted to show you what the tall bears, what the short bears, and what the hungry bears looked like. So all of our bears, they start over here because bears live in the mountains. And so they always start over here and they're always going to go this way towards this picnic basket because they are always hungry. Even the tall bears and the short bears, they're hungry too. So they're gonna go over to our picnic basket. Now, these would be our tall bear letters. These are our uppercase letters. These are going to be our short bears. So they're gonna start at this dotted line. Now, the tall bears, they start at the sun. The short bears, our lowercase letters, start at the dotted line, and our hungry bears are gonna go all the way down here so that they can eat their worms because they are hungry bears. All of our letters have upper and lower case letters. We mostly see lowercase letters when we are reading and writing, but we will see uppercase letters at the beginning of a sentence or in proper nouns. Can you say proper nouns? Oh my goodness, you guys are going to be little geniuses by the time we are done here. Proper noun is when we have a name. Did you know that your name is a proper noun? That means that you have to start your name with an uppercase letter. Can you tell me your name? That is a beautiful name. I want you to ask your mom and dad to write your name down, or if you know how to write your name, write it down. What is that first letter in your name? The first letter in my name is S, and I'm going to capitalize that letter because I'm also a proper noun. My name is Detective Shaylee, and so Shaylee starts with an S, and I'm going to uppercase that. Can you uppercase your first letter in your name? All of our letters have upper and lowercase letters. We mostly see lowercase letters when we are reading and writing, but we will see some uppercase letters at the beginning of a sentence. Oh, look, this is a sentence. I know it's a sentence because it has multiple words and it has something called a period at the end. So this first letter right here has to be an uppercase. It's got to be a big bear. Here is a big bear and a little bear, or a short bear. Okay, these are upper and lowercase letters. Now, some of our lowercase letters are still going to start at the sun. Some of them are going to start at the dotted line, and some of them will go down and touch the worm. So there are a couple of our lowercase letters that are going to be slightly different. Now, the other thing that it can be at the beginning of is that proper noun. Remember what we talked about with your name? This is the word Walmart. Do you know Walmart? You do. Have you ever bought a fun toy at Walmart? You have? Oh my goodness, that sounds like so much fun. Walmart is a proper noun. It's the name of a store, so we have to uppercase that letter. Look, number 4. Color in number 4 on your detective's office. All right, let's go back to our map. You can choose any color you want, and I want you to color in number 4 on your map. To gain access to the accompanying workbook, scan the QR code or click the link in the description down below.